What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could please, we are on our road to 10,000 subs. I appreciate you guys very much for showing love on all of my videos, but if you guys could take a second right now, pause the video, hit the subscribe button, make sure to smash the like button. Come on, y'all already know you're gonna love the video, and we have a banger for y'all today. But before we get into what we're gonna be doing the video on, I do wanna just give you guys a little recap, a little life update, because I have been gone from YouTube for about 45 days. Yes, you heard that right, 45 days. I believe that is my longest stretch that I've been away from YouTube in quite some time. But here is the life update. The reason why I was gone for so long on YouTube was because my wife gave birth to my daughter. So I'm super excited about that. So we've been trying to get the house in order, trying to handle a toddler and a newborn at the same exact time. And it's really hard to create content when you're really busy helping out, my wife, helping out my son, my daughter. So I've been extremely busy, but I finally scheduled some time to do some videos. Y'all are not here to hear me ramble. Y'all are here to see what's inside this box right here. I'm telling y'all, y'all are telling me, we're speaking to each other. Listen, Asics is killing the game. Asics has some of the best collabs. Recently, they had the Marvel collab. Coming out even sooner is going to be a Asics collab with Stefan Diggs. And they're dropping some heat. So Asics is killing it. And right here in this box, we have the Gel-Kayano 14 in a pretty fire colorway. And wait till I tell you the details about the shoe, how much I picked it up for, and all of that. I ordered this shoe back maybe in early June. And it was on back order, and they did warn me that my shoe wouldn't ship out for at least 4 to 6 weeks. So at least they let me know about that. They were selling pairs that they weren't having in the factory made already. So I guess it's kind of like a pre-order, back order. Maybe they're just moving slow. I don't know the exact case, but this shoe did take 4 to 6 weeks to get to me. I think it was right around that 5.5 week when I finally got the shipping information. And then I got it the next day after I got the shipping information, because they next day aired it to me basically. But the Gel-Kayano 14 normally retails, let's see, is the retail price on here? The retail price is not on here. I believe the retail price is $150. The retail price is $150 for this pair. But luckily enough for me, your boy's always looking for the steals and deals. And I was able to find a coupon for this pair. A first-time member sign up. So I signed up to be a Asics member, which is free, which they gave me free shipping. So that saved me on there, because they were going to charge me, I think, $10 for shipping. So I got that free. And I was also able to get a 15 or 20% discount on this shoe. Now, I don't know if the shoe was supposed to be excluded or not, but it let me use a discount code. So I believe after all, I think I paid around $135, $140 for this pair right here. And you already know, if you guys are looking to buy any Asics, any resale shops, they're probably charging for the Gel-Kayano 14s anywhere between $220 to $250 depending on your size. So to get this shoe under retail for free shipping, and all I had to do was wait a couple more weeks than normal, I'll do that every single time. So let's get right into it. So we're opening the box. We have the beautiful white tissue paper, and I already got a sneak peek on these because I was too excited to see these and wait. But ooh, okay. So look, so right here from the middle side right here, it just looks like your standard Kayano 14. But then when we flip it over to here, we got the beautiful hits of this vibrant yellow going throughout these Asics gel unit right here. This beautiful yellow going through that, like I said, gel unit midsole. And then we have hits of the Gel-Kayano 14 right there in yellow. On the back, we have hits of the yellow gel right there. And then on the tongue, we have the Asics branding. You guys can see that with the hits of yellow. And I just think this shoe is super versatile, because this is a pure white sneaker. Definitely that Y2K vibes, pure white with metallic silver going throughout the entirety of the shoe with hits of black. And then it just gives you that pop of color with that yellow, which I like that, because you can wear this shoe with everything. You don't have to match that yellow too much, but if you did want to match the yellow with an outfit, then it's gonna match perfectly. But this is just a perfect everyday sneaker. So I do have the Gel-Kayano cream plum right down here. And right here, this is the cream plum right here. So some hits of plum purple going throughout where the metallic silver is. And for the uppers, it is a cream. So I'm holding them side by side. You can see the cream versus the pure white. And this sneaker, I've been wearing this sneaker almost every single day, whether it's just to run a little simple errand, going to the grocery store, going to the mall. This is one of the most comfortable sneakers out there right now, the Gel-Kayano 14s. And you can constantly see restocks on these pairs. You have to be very vigilant and just keep looking on the internet. They'll pop up on random sites and you can hit them for retail. I think I bought this pair used for $150. I was impatient and I wanted the shoe in the collection, but all I've really been rocking is Asics all day long. And this right here, the Asics 1130. I actually wore this shoe for 4 days straight when my wife was in the hospital. I didn't take this shoe off for 4 days straight, and my foot felt very, very well. It felt like I was walking on clouds. My foot wasn't tight, and I was super comfortable. So 1130s are really, really affordable, coming in at that $95 price range. And sometimes you can even find discounts on those. I think I picked those up for maybe 75, 85 bucks with a discount code. But back to the sneaker we're all here for, the Gel-Kayano 14 in this yellow colorway. What is on the description on the box? I want to see what the yellow is. So it is a white tie with shy yellow. I did go with a size 11, which is my true to size, and I just can't wait to start rocking this sneaker. Like I said, this shoe is just going to be by the door. I got to give this shoe a break. As you can see, the midsole is extremely dirty. Y'all are seeing I'm putting some miles on this pair, so I'm just trying to add as many Asics to the collection as I can, just so they don't get super beat. So like I said, the retail was $150 for these. I got them on sale with a discount code for after taxes and no shipping around $135, $140. So under retail. And you guys can go right now on the Asics website. I think they have some sizes popping up from time to time. You just have to go. I caught this on a random restock and your boy got lucky. And I just think this is an amazing shoe. Super comfortable. Price point is right there. And it's in right now. The 2000 runner is in. New Balance Asics and Nike Vomeros. That is the sneaker of 2024. So you can't go wrong with a beautiful sneaker for a retail price of under $150. This is a steal right here. I can't wait to rock this shoe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because I'll probably post some more shorts and maybe my outfit pick with this shoe. So show your boy some love on Instagram. But other than that, you guys already know the materials. This is a standard Gel-Kayano 14. We got mesh for the majority of the uppers. We have hits of the metallic silver going throughout with the Asics logo right there in the middle of the shoe. Super cozy insoles. White cotton sock lining with the white insole. We got the beautiful outsole, white and gray. Beautiful white midsole with the yellow hits. This shoe is great. Now, y'all already know on this channel, we give every sneaker a rating from 1 to 10. And if I had to give this shoe a rating, I would give this shoe a rating of a solid 9.2. This sneaker is everything, like I said, comfortability, style, price point, availability, durability, everything. This shoe has it all. The reason why it's not a 10 is because I reserved those 10 for something that has more of a meaning to me, more of a backstory. Now that Asics and Stefan Diggs collab, that's a 10 out of 10 if I'm able to get my hands on that pair. Super limited, only to 250 pairs releasing at the Manhattan Gift Store. So I did enter the raffle. If I do win, I will have to be flying up to New York to pick up that pair. And another 10 out of 10 Asics that recently dropped is the Marvel collab. All 5, I believe, I think it was 5 colorways. All 5 of those colorways are all amazing. I love all the details, all the story behind it. You get a comic book with it. It's a fire collaboration, and that probably will be one of my next pickups. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you all did enjoy. And if you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check me out, like I said earlier in the video, on my IG, my TikTok, all my socials down in the link down in the description box below. Come through and show some love as we continue to grow out my communities on my Instagram and my TikTok. And if y'all are looking to join up on the Discord, I highly recommend checking out my Discord. We're trying to build out a nice little sneakerhead community over there. It's a free Discord where we all support each other. We all follow each other on Instagram. We follow each other on YouTube, and we just talk sneakers, and we're growing that community over there. So I would appreciate you guys stopping by, checking it out, and showing your boy some love. All right, y'all. So this is video 2 of 3 that I'm filming today. So now that I'm done with this Asics video, I got another sneaker video to film. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. It's been your boy Tim, signing off. Peace.